Yeah, less tight.
Yeah, more range of motion.
Yeah.
So neck pain and then like lower back pain, quite
Okay.
significant at this point.
Okay, there.
No, just stiff.
Just stiff.
Yeah.
There you go.
Very good. Very good. And better. I did kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Kim Khauv, and thank you for watching our videos. To show our appreciation, we're starting a little contest that you can win a consultation, examination, your first chiropractic adjustment. Continue watching this video. There's a little break in the middle where there's gonna be a phrase or a question to answer. And if you put the correct answer in the comment section below, we're gonna randomly select 2 winners for the first 20 correct answers in the comment section, and you'll be invited to come to our office and receive your initial consultation, examination, and first chiropractic adjustment. Thank you very much.
So neck pain and then like lower back pain, quite significant at this point. So I kind of have to stop work or kind of get up and move around a bit.
Okay.
And it's starting to hurt even as I'm not like in the same position.
So now we're going to examine you and then give you your first adjustment.
Okay.
So go ahead and tuck your chin towards your chest. Does that cause any pain, discomfort, numbness to your fingertips at all?
No.
No, okay, that's a good sign. Now look at the ceiling. Any issues there at all?
No.
Okay, perfect. Back to neutral. We're going to turn left and right.
No.
Okay, there.
No, just stiff.
Just stiff.
Yeah.
Stiff, yeah. You're way too young to feel that stiffness, so let's fix that for you. So now we're going to test your lower back. We're going to turn left and right. Any pain at all?
Well, the back hurt even before turning, so.
Okay. Does it go down your legs at all?
No.
Okay.
No.
We're good there?
I felt like a nice drop.
Yeah. A little loose, huh? Go to the right side and left side.
No.
No, doing okay there.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Now we're going to... Okay, you have a right leg that's just a little bit short.
That's the one that always gets sprained.
So I'm going to get this moving for you. Realign. This is going to help you over right here. There you go. On here.
Oh, that one sounds good.
Perfect. Perfect. Let's go face down now, please. Yeah. Let's see if your legs are even here. Nice and even, okay? Yeah, come on up, please. Go and stand up back. Stand back up. Tuck your chin in. Difference there. Lizard.
Yeah, definitely.
Right.
Being harassed at work is easy. Yeah, less tight.
Yeah, more range of motion.
Yeah.
You want to turn this way? How's that back?
Yeah, feels a bit loose, like a bit looser,
Uh-huh.
you know, less like tight. I can see it. Yeah, better
Good.
definitely. I think we still might need some more though, like maybe some more.
The comment for this video is, what year was chiropractic founded?